Yeah, so the thunder's still rumbling a bit out there, but the rain's mostly passed. And looks like there might even be a bit of sun coming out in places. But so I'm just hanging out here waiting for the thunder to stop before I try and do much as far as getting up the Ipswich River, but hopefully make it up to town this evening. I was thinking about possibly going over to Lane's Cove this evening and spending the night over there, but I think I'll just go with Ipswich, and my sister and my parents may meet me over there for dinner. We'll see. Give them a ring and see what they're up to. So that would be nice. So yeah, this is about it. About to brew up a little coffee, and yeah, just hang out here till the weather clears and or the tide comes back in, because when the sort of gust front and the rain hit, I ran the boat up onto a little sandbar here at the edge of the marsh, and dropped all the sails and stuff. So I've got the lunch hook out at the moment, and but the tide's also still going. So right now I'm aground on the land. So I'll have to wait till the tide comes back up before I take off. And it was kind of warm and muggy down below, when I first came down here, because it was fairly warm this afternoon, but now there's that cool air after a thunderstorm, so it's really comfortable down here now. Maybe even put my t-shirt on sometime soon. Put it back on, but yeah, anyway. And you can see it's starting to clear up out there anyway. Yeah, you should have seen the parade of boats come charging upriver when this blew through. I was one of them, of course, not going as fast as everybody else. But yeah, Cranes Beach had quite a number of pleasure boaters down there, and they all came home. So you may be able to see, that bridge over there where the boats are. That's Labour in Vain Creek over in Ipswich. So I'm a good ways up the Ipswich River, almost made it up into town before the squall line hit and the thunder really started booming. The rain was pouring down. And I guess I could have sailed through it if I had to, but it was probably better to get the sails down. It was only like maybe 10 minutes worth of strong wind, but if I was going to sail through it, I would have had to have reefed, and really didn't make any sense when I could just run up on the bank, so. And then be below decks and out of the rain anyway. Anyhow, I guess, yeah, see what the weather does for the rest of the day, and then make a decision about the Isle of Shoals or not tomorrow. Anyway, coffee time.